Have you ever had troubles in Tradingview where you mark up your chart on your PC? However, that markup is not showing on the phone? This could be that your layouts are not properly synchronized. Let me fix this problem for you. Load it up! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dreycosting. If it's the first time over here, what we do over this channel is to analyze the financial market, like chop it up in pieces, so each and everyone can understand. Yo, this TradingView tutorial on layouts is extremely critical. I remember one time going about 6 months, I was saying to myself, like, my markup on my PC is not like showing back on my phone, and I'm writing TradingView, I'm cursing them out, and they'll be like, check the layout. I'm like, my layouts are the same, you know what I mean? I categorize them, I categorize my watch list and all of that. So I was confusing the watch list with the layout, and trust me, it was really frustrating. But you won't go through that because you have this video to help you. Let's dive straight into it. All right, layout. Yo, guys, pay attention to this one, yeah? Because this is extremely critical, right? You want to be able to analyze what you have done on your laptop or PC, yeah, on your phone, because you want to like mark up a chart, and then you want to, like, if you want to go on the road, be on the go, you want to see it on your phone, or if you just want to mark up a chart, set your entry, then lay in bed, or just chill. You don't really want to be stagnant around your computer desk, you know what I mean? You want to have that level of flexibility, yeah? So what I used to do is to confuse my watch list right here, where I categorize the watch list together like this. You understand? I categorize the watch list like this with the confusion with the layouts. You get me? So the layout that TradingView is talking about, when they are saying layouts, I was just thinking that they're saying this, right? This is the layout right here, this and that, right? So you have layout of one screen, this and this right here, yeah? However, what they were trying to communicate to me is that this layout right here, you see, when I go at it, it says dreycosting charts. You have unnamed. You follow me? So if I go on unnamed, right? This unnamed right here is not the same chart as the one as the dreycosting, right? So the first thing you want to do is that you want to save your layout. You follow me? You can rename it. You understand? Right? You can create a new layout, and then when you create the layout, what you're gonna do, you can do something like rename it. So you can like rename your layout. We call this test, right? So bam, that layout is now called test. You understand? So the first thing you want to do is like name your layout. That way you can recognize your layout when you go on your phone, and you're not just going to see it marked unnamed, yeah? So the first thing you want to do, if you don't have a layout already, new layout, if there's already a layout there called unnamed, what you're going to do is rename it. You follow me? Bam. So I'm going to go back to the dreycosting layout, yeah? So what I'm going to do now is to show you how it looks when you're on the correct layout versus the incorrect layout on your phone. And this will solve your synchronization problem. All right, so this is my phone right here, yeah? All right, so moving up and down my phone like that. Follow me? So let's go into GU Boom. All right. We're in GU on the phone, yeah? See if I could put the phone over here to the left side. All right, so I'm going to change the layout to an incorrect one. Forgive me, there's a little lag, right, on the screen share of the phone, so let me try my best, right? So you're not going to like see that where it says select layout, you're not going to choose that, right? See, it's already on the dreycosting chart, so I'm going to do the wrong thing first. I'm going to go load. All right, so there's a little lag, so forgive me. Boom, after I go load, I'm going to click on name. Yeah. So I'm on the name now, all right? I'm on the name now on the phone. So watch me now. I'm just gonna do something simple as this. Make a circle around here on GU, all right? Notice that you're not seeing anything come up on the phone, right? Because it's not synchronized properly with the correct layout. So the layout that I'm using on the computer is dreycosting chart, right? That's the name of the layout. And it's not the same layout that's on the phone, right? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go back to these little 3 dots right here on the chart. Boom, I'm going to go to that. Then I'm going to go back to load, right? So I'll go back to where it says load, right? And then I'm going to select dreycosting chart because that is what I want to select, right? Selecting dreycosting chart, all right, and then bam, there you go. Now with the whole movement, right? So if I remove this like this on the computer, yeah, remove this, or just do something like this, remove joins, yeah. Then I put like this nice little prediction tool here, all right. All right, you should see it now pop up on this login mirroring image, right? So just bear with me, all right? It's already popped up on my phone already, but it's just really locking on the recording, forgive me. So basically, when I have it on my phone, it's like popping up instantaneously. So as I said, just forgive me for the login recording. I don't know, it don't normally happen like this, but I just really want to get this point across because this is really important. As I realize it's moving, all right? It says just a log on the recording. All right, so though it's lagging, I still got to get this video out because this is really important. So now, see, you're seeing the image right there on the chart, right, on the phone. In order to synchronize, yeah, you have to ensure that the layout that you choose on your laptop must be the same one on your phone. And this is where you go to find the layout. And the first thing you want to do is rename it to ensure that you're selecting the correct one on your phone as well, right? Forgive me for the login, but I hope you get the point of this video, right? It's a very critical thing. It's really, really helpful to know that you have both your laptop and your phone synchronized. Straight balling, no stalling. Thank you guys for watching. And if there's anything on Tradingview that you'd like to see me cover, please comment below and I'll try my very best to assist you. Go on, big up on yourself and enjoy the rest of the day. I'm out.